Hi friends, let's start the fast track mode fun class number 03 of the three-dimensional geometry. In this video, we are going to study the projection of a line on a segment with an example. So it is one of the important and very short topic. So let's start. What is a projection of line? Suppose consider we have a line segment PQ. Suppose we have a line PQ with P in bracket x1 comma y1 comma z1 and Q in bracket x2 comma y2 comma z2. Now I want to find the projection of this line segment PQ on another line. What is projection means? Projection means it is a perpendicular image. So suppose there is one another line, and we have a line segment AB. Now the projection of this PQ on AB means what? It is the perpendicular image of PQ on AB. Perpendicular image of PQ on AB. Yes, so this becomes the projection of PQ on AB. So it is P dash Q dash. So P dash Q dash is nothing but the projection of PQ on AB. So what is the formula to get this P dash Q dash? So P dash Q dash is always equals to x2 minus x1 cos alpha plus y2 minus y1 cos beta plus z2 minus z1 cos gamma. Or you can write x2 minus x1 L plus y2 minus y1 M plus z2 minus z1 N, where L, M, N are the direction cosines of what? Line AB. DCs of line AB, L, M, N. Please make sure that these are the L, M, N are the direction cosines of the AB, not PQ. Yes, getting? So this is what our important formula is. The only thing you have to remember is what? These L, M, N are the direction cosines of the segment AB. Okay, so let's start the question. Find the projection of PQ with P coordinate दिया है, Q coordinate दिया है on AB, which makes an angle of 30, 60, 90 with coordinate axis. Also find the projection on X, Y and Z axis. Okay, so let's see. So we have to find out P dash Q dash. So P dash Q dash is nothing but x2 minus x1. So what is x2 is minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 cos alpha. So first of all find out the direction cosines of AB. So it is cos 30, cos 60 and cos 90, which is nothing but root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and it is 0. So first one will get root 3 by 2 plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 2 is 0 into 1 by 2, and the third one is x2 z2 minus z1, that is 3 into cos 90, which is again 0. So the projection is what? Minus 2 root 3 by 2, which is nothing but minus root 3. So P dash Q dash is nothing but minus root 3. So this is what a projection of a line segment PQ on AB. Okay, now what they are asking is also find the projection on X, Y and Z axis. Now to get the projection on X, Y, Z axis, we have to know the direction cosines of X, Y and Z axis. So what will be the direction cosine of X axis? Means what? The angle made by the X axis with itself, Y and Z. So angle made by the X axis with itself is 0. With Y it is 90 degree and with Z it is 90 degree. For Y we'll have 90, 0 and 90, and for Z we'll have 90, 90 and 0. So what will be the direction cosines then? What will be the direction cosines of X axis? So it is cos 0, cos 90, which is 1, 0, 0. Y axis 0, 1, 0 and Z axis is 0, 0, 1. Again the most important thing, one question has appeared in previous year based on this concept. So what will be the projection of a PQ on the x, y and z axis? So x axis पे projection कितना रहेगा? It is x2 minus x1 into cosine. It is 1, which is nothing but minus 2 into 1, so which is gives me minus 2 is the projection of PQ on x axis. What about on the y axis and z axis? Y axis and z axis coefficients are, y axis का तो coefficient by 0 है. It is what? 2 minus 2, so it is 0 into 1, which gives me 0. What about third with the z axis? With z axis z2 minus z1. Okay, z2 minus z1 is nothing but 3 into 1, so it gives me answer as a 3. Why I am not considering x2 minus x1? Because x2 minus x1 into 0 we are getting. Y2 minus y1 0. The only thing we will get is z2 minus z1, and in this case z2 minus z1 is 3. So the answer to this question, x के साथ भाई -2 रहेगा, y के साथ 0 रहेगा and z के साथ रहेगा 3. Okay, so this is the whole concept for the projection of a line. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share करो with your friends, juniors, comment करो if any new videos you want, subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any other upcoming videos. Thank you.